Hi everyone, my name is Thong from Vana Adventure Travel in Cambodia. So in this video, I would like to show you about my experience for 2 days, 1 night at Chambok Ecotourism Community and Kirirom National Park. Well, after our drive around 3 hours from Phnom Penh city to Chambok Village. Chambok Village is located on a foothill of Kirirom National Park, and then we have a time to take a rest around 1 hour. After that, we start our walking tour through the local village, farmland, and then enjoy the sunset view near this village as well. It's a really nice experience walking through the village. We explore a lot of farmland, paddy rice field, mango plantation, and we also very exciting to see the local villager who make rice wine. It's part like traditional rice wine making in the village. And then we get on the local hand tractor, get a ride through the village, and also heading to the sea. We call canyon, right? Canyon. Yes. Apologize if my speaking is not right. It's a canyon near the Chambok Village, and at the time, also during the sunset time, that is a really beautiful village from the sunset view. Include paddy rice field and a sunset time.
Have a beer as well.
After that, we get back to the local community restaurant for our dinner, and then we have experience to see the children do the traditional dancing show in this community before we go back to our homestay to stay overnight in the village. On our second day is a part of nature discovery and hiking experience from Chambok Village to the Kirirom National Park. Well, through this hiking adventure, we explore Bat Cave and we hiking through the 3 small hills from the Chambok Ecotourism community to the Kirirom National Park.
Oh, that was huge. Long on top of that thing,
What's this size?
It's a generator. And then when we reach up to the national park, we explore a stunning view of a pine forest, include some of the wildflower and beautiful butterfly. As much as we also enjoy the stunning view of the Cardamom Mountain range from the Kirirom National Park mountain cliff as well. And at the end, we still consider to support the local community through a bamboo sticky rice cooking class.
ស្ដែកបិលល្មមស្ករសល្មមហើយនឹងខ្ទិះដូងឲ្យយកទី1បលចូលគ្នាអាខ្ទិះយើងពូតយកអាទី1ដល់អាទី2យើងនឹងទៅនេះ
អូខេប៉ុន្តែថាអំបិលស្ករនោះយើងលៃតាមចំនួនអង្គមែនទេ
តាមតម្រូវការរបស់យើងតិចតួចទេ
អូខេ
មកយើងដាក់ល្មមអត់មានដាក់ផ្អែមក៏ចាក់យើងច្រក
And we invite our guests, our tourists, to learn how to make the bamboo sticky rice before we say goodbye from this community back to Phnom Penh city. Thank you very much for your watching this video. Hopefully you enjoy this video as well. And then please feel free to leave your comment or put your question as well in case you need to know more about the Chambok Ecotourism Community or Kirirom National Park, that it will be part of supporting to the local community tourism. And then please feel free to share this video to your network or your colleague. Thank you very much for your watching.